Exactly. Stevie.
Nobody tell me it's a real life of fuckery. I swear when I done school, I go fuck girl and beat juice and bun spliff. You know what I do? I work and pay bills every blood clot day. I can't.
Shiny man, talk again. I got a blood clot.
I am born.
I am man.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm born, man.
You born in Jamaica? So you have the accents lock plug to yourself.
But they're on the right people, them.
Oh, okay. So you like, don't you?
I'm a place there, you know.
I am born.
Alright guys, so I'm officially rich in Jamaica. Bank of Jamaica, they got $1,000 notes, guys. We are officially a millionaire in Jamaica, let's go. But slow your horses down. This 1,000 Jamaican note is probably worth about 5 GBP. So one of these notes is worth £5, but in US dollars, about $7. So yeah, we got a $1,000 note. Pretty cool note though, if you ask me. Let's go, baby. Jamaican me crazy.
When we eat a fireman food, how when we yam a fireman food, how when we drink a jelly, you know. Bless up, bless up.
More life.
You see? More life and more love and more jelly.
Yeah, man.
You see? Back in Jamaica. Bless up.
Water of life.
You know we're poor and we live in poverty. Hey. We never go to bed one night hungry. We're a happy family. We are the happy family. Glad that my parents had no divorcee. Happy family. We are the happy family. Glad that my parents said no divorcee. I was born in Jamaica with mommy and daddy. Live upon a hill fire in the country. Mommy and daddy, they bring up 5 pickaninny, 2 brother, 2 sisters.
Let them fucking know.
Nikki, you gonna wrap this car pink?
I mean, you know, I had told the grandma I was going to, you know what I'm saying, do the double R pink. Then when I seen Kadali, Jadena, you know what I'm saying, pop over with the pink. I said, oh, well, eyes for the queens, you know what I'm saying, felt bad. But when the queen do it, I'm going to do pink on pink, every blood clot thing in sync. You understand?
Yeah, you know the motherfucking vibes. You know how we coming.
Is that
Big things only.
the Richard Millie?
I mean, you know,
Oh, it's the